Hi, this is Lisa from Perth Sewing Centre, and today we're going to be showing you how to install and update on the Brother Aveneer EV1. First of all, if you live in Australia, go to the Brother Australia site, and I usually just type in Brother Australia EV1 update, or whatever machine you have. If you're in the US, use the Brother USA, but if you're in Australia, use the Brother Australia site. Click on the Brother Aveneer or whatever is applicable to your machine, and double check to see if you've got Windows 11 or Windows 10, and just press OK when you've selected the correct settings for your machine. Check the update is 1.10 or whatever the latest one is that you're actually updating. And then on the left, you'll see Update Software. Click on Update Software, and that will bring up a kind of contract. So basically, read everything there and agree to that. Once you agree, the download will start happening. Mine shows up in the top right-hand corner that it's downloading. Yours may show somewhere else, but that's where mine actually shows. So while that's downloading, you can read what is being changed. I will then put my USB in. Make sure it's an empty USB. It cannot have anything on it. So if there is something on it, select that file and delete it. After you've deleted it, it is best to reformat your USB. So right-click on the USB drive, click on Format, and then check that it's FAT32, which is default settings, and press Start. It will take a little while. It will also give you a warning to say it's going to delete any information. It doesn't take long before this symbol comes up, this little Format Complete icon. Press OK, and then we can go ahead with the next steps. If you right-click on the upload once it has come into your downloads, you can right-click on that and copy. You can copy that and then paste it into your USB. So open the USB drive, right-click and paste. That I find is the easiest way to copy that download onto USB. So basically what we're doing here is simply putting that file that we downloaded from the Brother Australia site onto our USB. Once it is complete, it will show a strange file name. You then are able to eject safely your USB. So in the bottom right-hand side, you'll see that there is a little USB symbol here. And simply press on that, and it will then say it is now safe to eject your USB. Once it's safe to eject your USB, remove the USB from your computer and insert it into your machine. It goes into the top USB slot. Now, the reason I recommend using the USB rather than the Wi-Fi on the Aveneer is because it is more stable than some Wi-Fi connections. Before you turn it on, hold your needle threader button and turn the machine on. Now, it does take some time for this update to load, so please be patient. Hold your finger on the button until it comes up and shows you the USB sign. Keep your finger on there until the machine comes up with this symbol here. Now you can take your finger off the needle threader button and press on the USB icon. That will then access the upgrade that you have loaded onto the USB, press load, and away she goes. Please note again, this does take some time to update. Do not turn your machine off. Leave it on, and that is why the USB method is more stable than you using your Wi-Fi to update your machine. If you use Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi cuts out, it's halfway through the update and it sometimes doesn't end well. So please, I recommend on the Aveneer to use the USB method. Once it gets to 100%, you'll get update complete. You can simply then turn off your machine, and I usually remove the USB from the side of the machine. So once it's complete, we just turn the off switch off, remove the USB, and then simply turn your machine back on as normal. Go through the process of waiting for it to install the update and do whatever it needs to do. Once again, don't turn it off while this screen is on. And once it comes back on, it's business as usual. Simply press on the home screen and go into your embroidery and click that one to move the embroidery unit out of the way, and I wish you a very, very happy time with your beautiful machine, and it's now updated and ready to go. Happy sewing!